What's up, guys? Hey, just as a heads up, I've got a newborn upstairs, 6 days old. She's crying this morning. She's hungry, tired, so I apologize for the baby crying in the background. But I wanted to go over something that I do, or at least I did and still do from time to time, is working through some animal flow sequences. The ABCs of animal flow, so I'll work through ape, I'll work through beast, and I'll work through crab. And when I first got exposed to animal flow, that's all I did. I wouldn't even do all in the same sequence. I would just break up ape and I would work that for 5-10 minutes on its own, just trying to figure out the mechanics of it. I would work beast and I would work crab again, just trying to figure out the mechanics, trying to feel the floor with my hands and my feet. So as I progressed, I started to organize it into sequences. I started with less time crawling, and then I just started to add time as my body adapted and acclimated to the demands. And if I can use some foul language, I was horseshit in the beginning as far as crawling and ground-based movement. I was terrible, and I'm by no means the world's greatest floor gymnast, but it's amazing how fast your body will adapt to stresses that you put it under. So if you just stay consistent and you do this over time, you're gonna get a lot stronger. Now my dogs are going crazy, probably gonna ruin the video, so I'm gonna start moving. So I'm gonna start with 8. So as I'm moving forward, I'm probably doing a variation of ape. You could consider this. The reason I would say it's a variation is when I'm moving forward, I'm looking to get my feet ahead of my hands. I like that range of motion. It's challenging for me. And then I just move right into beast. Again, opposite arm, opposite leg, trying to stay still through the midsection. Sounds kind of corny, but as you're crawling, particularly forwards, imagine you're crawling up on some prey. Super soft with the hands and feet. Keep the midsection still, ribs tucked in. And then what I'll do, I'll flip over and I'll work through crab. So I'm trying to keep my core tied to my thighs, my torso. Again, opposite arm, opposite leg. The longer you go with a sequence like this, the more tired you're gonna get. You're gonna start breathing harder. But what you gotta do is just control your breath. Push all your air down to your belly. Again, feeling the floor. Moving soft. This is a great sequence to work in a basement gym, a hotel room, a hotel workout area, because it's all linear. And you only need, this is probably 5 to 8 yards, maybe 8 yards from point B to point A, and it takes 5 minutes. It's the basics, and the basics will take you extremely far. So I hope that was helpful. I apologize for the noise upstairs, and let me know if you have any questions.